guys, today we will make a herbal tea with some dried fruits and flowers. There is a cup, a stainless steel infuser, hot water and dried fruits and chamomile flower. This is chamomile flower. This is dried strawberry. This is dried pineapple. We will put these in the cup. But the chamomile flower is in the stainless steel infuser. We will dip this in the cup. Let's make this together. Now we will add the strawberry, the pineapple, wow, it has nice smells also. Now we will add the hot water. It is very hot. So you will take help of adult or your parents. Now we will put the infuser. Now we will let it steep for 5 to 8 minutes. Put honey or lemon for taste. Mama! We will put the honey and lemon also. We will mix it with a spoon. You can eat the fruit also. They are very tasty. They are very sweet. They have a nice smell also. Now we will put the honey and lemon. Honey. We will take this away. This is very hot. So carefully we will take this out. Okay, here, and then we will put honey. Yeah. Whee. Okay. Now we will put lemon. It is sour. If it is sour, you can add more honey. Now we will mix it. Mix it carefully. In this tea, antioxidants, fiber, minerals, vitamins too. It is good for everyone, for children also. Let me taste it. Wow, it is very tasty. Yummy. Now the fruits are tasting like real fruits. It was dried and now these are tasting like fresh fruits. Let me taste it again. Yummy. Wow! The strawberry is like a fresh fruit.